in Rajasthan died after taking a cough syrup. But here's the bigger problem. Our Indian obsession with medicines for even the smallest of illnesses. In India, we love quick fixes. खांसी है, दवाई ले लो. बुखार है, दवाई ले लो. जुकाम है, दवाई ले लो. Parents rush to buy syrups, antibiotics, or just a syrup to increase appetite. But here's the truth. Most cough syrups don't cure the cough. They can be harmful, especially in children under 6 years of age. Overuse of medicines can cause side effects, resistance, and sometimes even a tragedy like this. Not every sneeze needs a syrup. Let's break this habit of over-medicating our kids. Sometimes rest, love, and simple care are the best medicines.